Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. When should you consult a fertility specialist when you're trying to conceive? So, understanding that consulting a fertility specialist is a very crucial step for individuals or couples facing challenges in achieving pregnancy is the first and foremost step towards seeking treatment. A fertility specialist has the experience to diagnose and treat a wide variety of reproductive issues, and knowing when to seek specialized care can make a significant difference in outcomes. Let's look at when to consider consulting a fertility specialist. We will first talk about the very important aspect, duration of trying to conceive. Under 35 years of age, it is recommended that couples who have been trying to conceive for a year without success consult a fertility specialist within a year. This time frame allows for natural variability in the timing of conception. So 1 year if you're under 35 years. 35 years of age or older, and what's known for these people is that it is advisable to seek a specialist after 6 months of trying, and fertility naturally declines with age, and early intervention can be very beneficial for people under this age group. Then we have to talk about known reproductive health issues. Individuals or couples with reproductive health conditions should consult a fertility specialist regardless of the duration of trying. Now, this does not mean that you cannot consult a fertility specialist earlier if you are 35 years or under, and if you're 35 years or more, you have to consult before 6 months of trying. The first condition is menstrual cycles and irregularity of it. Women with irregular or absent menstrual cycles may have ovulation disorders such as polycystic ovarian syndrome or hypothalamic amenorrhea, which is loss of period not coming, which can impact infertility. So this is one of the flags that you should be seeing. History of pelvic inflammatory diseases, PID, can cause damage to fallopian tubes leading to infertility or increased risk of ectopic pregnancy. Then there is endometriosis. This condition is where tissues similar to the uterine lining grow outside the uterus, and this can cause scarring and inflammation affecting fertility. Next is uterine abnormalities. Conditions like fibroids, polyps or congenital uterine anomalies can interfere with implantation or pregnancy maintenance. Then comes male fertility factor. This is also a very important factor. Usually issues such as low sperm count, poor motility or poor morphology when observed should definitely be considered for consultation with a fertility specialist. Now, these are regarded as male factor infertility, and it accounts for about 40 to 50% of infertility cases. So, knowing that even a male can be responsible for the lack of pregnancy in the partner is a very crucial step, and you should seek consultation. Next, previous pregnancy related issues. So if there is a history of miscarriage, couples with recurrent pregnancy loss, which is 2 or more miscarriage, should consult a specialist to identify potential underlying causes such as genetic issues, uterine abnormalities or clotting disorders. Ectopic pregnancies can also be a cause of infertility. A history of ectopic pregnancy can indicate tubal damage which may require specialized care. Then there is the problem of medical and lifestyle changes. Chronic medical conditions like diabetes, thyroid disorders and autoimmune diseases can affect fertility and pregnancy outcomes. Individuals with these conditions should seek specialist advice immediately. Previous cancer treatments are also issues where you should seek consultation. Treatments like chemotherapy and radiation can impact fertility. Those with a history of cancer treatment should consult a fertility specialist to discuss fertility preservation options and also treatment options. So, fertility preservation involves freezing of your eggs before you go for the cancer treatment. Severe obesity, underweight or a history of substance abuse can also impair fertility and may require specialized management. Unexplained infertility is also a condition where couples have been unable to conceive despite normal findings in initial tests, and you should consult a specialist for more advanced diagnosis and treatment options. Advanced maternal age also is something very important and we should discuss about it. When a woman is 40 years above, women above 40 years are encouraged to seek specialist advice very early as age-related decline in egg quality and quantity significantly impacts fertility. What happens with the timely consultation is that the specialist can provide a comprehensive evaluation, advanced diagnostic testing like hormone assessment, scans and genetic evaluation. This can help identify the specific cause of infertility and guide personalized treatment plans ranging from lifestyle modifications to medication to assisted reproductive technologies like uterine insemination, IVF, etc. Seeking timely care increases the likelihood of successful conception and a healthy pregnancy outcome. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.